I think the other thing to keep in mind is especially if you're not in the digital space yet, now is the perfect time to be looking at that. It would have been very difficult for us to solve a lot of our customers' orders problems if we didn't have digital. There's some bright spots coming out of this where we open up our customers' minds to looking at, just because it's not broken doesn't mean it shouldn't be fixed. Instead of just going back to the same old in terms of materials that we've always been using, let's open up our minds to seeing what potentials are out there for performance and for sustainability.